Hey, Vivian.
Hi.
Everybody, this is Molly and Vivian at So-and-so's Place. And Vivian is going to tell you about this block of the month table runner that she is doing with a Christmas theme. And it's based on the Lori Holt patterns, isn't it?
Yes.
So tell us all about what we've got coming up here.
We got this table runner.
It's really cute. Lots of little pieces everywhere, isn't
Yes,
it?
we got 12-inch blocks and 6-inch blocks.
That's a lot of sizes.
Yes.
We're used to working with 8 inches, aren't we?
Right. So you get to learn to do small blocks, but we'll start with this 12-inch block first.
Okay.
That'll be our first one. And then the week after will be the next one.
So we're starting this on Thursday the 2nd.
Yes.
And then, wait a minute.
No, 8th.
Nope, we're starting it on the 8th. I apologize,
Sorry.
y'all.
The
See,
8th.
here's the schedule.
Be the 8th.
On the 8th.
And then the little 6-inch blocks will be on the 22nd.
Alrighty. And then we're jumping down to October.
Yes.
And we're going to do 2 of them then.
The tree and 2 more small blocks will be the next one. And then the last one will be the boot with the sashing around
And
it.
that'll be in November.
Yes.
So we'll have this done in time for Christmas, won't
Yes,
we?
We will.
And you're going to teach us everything we need to know.
Yes, cutting and all, and quilting, and yes.
Well, that looks like a lot of fabric, Vivian.
Yeah, not too bad.
So you mean I got to come in here and pick out all that fabric?
Well, I've got 2 of these cut out.
So you mean that we have the possibility of having a kit for this?
Possible.
Oh, so that means we need to get on it, doggone it.
Yes.
And this starts when?
Next week?
Next week? We got to get on this.
Yes.
All right. Hi, Marlene. All right, so we got to get on this.
Yep.
All right, y'all.
Gotta get signed up
Okay. Well, where can we sign up for this?
at so-and-so's place.
All righty.
Molly.
Well, I don't mind being hollered at. I'm used to it. Okay, well, thank you very much for giving us some more information about this, Vivian.
You're welcome.
So everybody needs to tell their friends, because lately Facebook has been really weird about letting me post these events online.
Yes.
So if you haven't signed up yet, hey, Amy, if y'all haven't signed up for our newsletter, you can go to soandsosplace.com and sign up for the newsletter. And this is going to be a really fun table runner. I think y'all will enjoy taking this class and having fun. Hey, Debbie. And as you can see, here's where it begins on the schedule. It's next week from 10 to 2, and then again on the 22nd. That's 1 month. And then in October, it'll be parts 3 and 4 will be on the 6th and the 20th, and then we'll do it again in November. We'll finish it up, and that'll be the last setting block and putting them all together. And Vivian is a wonderful instructor. Y'all will have a fun time with her. So
We have a blast.
we do. We have a lot of fun. All righty, y'all. Well, bye-bye, Vivian, and thank you for explaining that. soandsosplace.com, 423-285-5959.
See you soon.
Bye-bye, y'all.